Want to enable voice chat in Roblox? You are in the right place. Here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will walk you through how to enable voice chat in Roblox quickly and easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable voice chat via settings. Open the Roblox web version and click on the gear icon to open Roblox settings. Your account must be 13 years of age or older to enable voice chat. Confirm this by checking the 13 plus label next to your username in the top right corner. If it is not, then here is what you need to do. Select the account info button. Click on Verify My Age. Scan the QR code using your smartphone camera or Google Lens and click on the specific link provided. Then begin the verifying process. Select your country, then upload a valid photo ID. Make sure you take a clear photo of it and upload. You might need to upload your photo. Next, follow the instructions to finish the verification process. Once done, go to the Privacy and Content Maturity tab. Go to the Communication tab. Under Voice Chat, toggle the Use Microphone to Chat with Voice selector to On. The toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. You can toggle the selector off at any time to disable voice chat. If you do not have your age verified, you cannot enable voice chat. Next, you should verify your phone number. To do that, under Info, look at the phone number section. Click on the Add Phone option. Then enter the phone number and click on the Continue button. Enter the code you have received in your inbox and verify the number. Then you should receive a code on your smartphone number you have entered. And enter that and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the verification process. Once verified, you should see a check mark next to your phone number. Remember that a user's location can affect their ability to use voice chat on Roblox. Voice chat is only available in certain countries to users who are at least 13 years old and have verified their phone number. Users outside of these countries can use ID verification to enable voice chat. You can check this out at Roblox's help page. Method 2. Check the in-game settings. You should also check the game settings to make sure the microphone settings are enabled. Else, you will not be able to use voice chat while gaming. So go to in-game settings, go to the input device section, make sure to select the microphone you currently use and ensure it is working. If you see the green microphone at the top of your character, this means your microphone is working. Also, check that you have not muted your friends. To check that, click on the Roblox icon from the top left side and click on People. Check that they are unmuted. And that's it. The methods to enable voice chat in Roblox. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any suggestions, turn up in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.